In this video, I'll review a rain sensor and show you how to connect it to Zigbee 2 MQTT. This small device can detect rainfall and send the data to your smart home setup. The rain sensor is a ZG-223Z model, purchased from our Chinese friends at AliExpress. The product consists of two parts, the sensor itself and a mount. The sensor part has an LED, a sensor surface to detect water and rain, and even a light sensor. The battery compartment of the sensor does not have a rubber seal, but so far this hasn't been a problem. It only has a plastic cover with a raised edge. The mount has a screw hole for easy installation and holes for drainage. Now we are going to pair the device so we can use it in our automations. In Home Assistant, go to Zigbee 2 MQTT and make sure Permit Join is enabled. Put the sensor in pairing mode by pressing the black reset button for 10 seconds. The LED will start blinking. Then wait a few seconds for it to appear inside Zigbee 2 MQTT. The sensor has been successfully paired. We can now see the exposed items. It may take a while to update. If it takes too long, you can trigger an update by wetting the sensor. Now that it's working, we can rename it and use it in our automations in Home Assistant. Make sure to click Update Home Assistant Entity ID, otherwise the sensor won't get a new name. With a rain sensor, you can create all sorts of automations in Home Assistant. For example, when it starts raining, you can get a notification when rain is detected and the windows are open, or have your robot mower go to rest. In my case, I use it to retract the sunshade. The possibilities are endless. If you enjoyed this video, go ahead and click the like, share, and subscribe buttons.